This shiny packaging means I got something to open from Simply Gilded. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm Tracy and this is a girl with plans. I want to welcome you all back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you would think about hitting that subscribe button while you're here. So I made a couple of purchases from Simply Gilded. They had another warehouse sale right before the holidays. And I took like a whole day to think about it. And during that whole day, I got a coupon in my inbox. And it was 10% off because it was just sitting in my cart. So I actually saved an additional 10% off of my purchase, which I was very surprised about because I didn't think that I would be able to use a coupon code on these bundles. Because yes, I got bundles. That's what I got. I got bundles. So what I did, so they had several bundles that were available. They had sticker bundles. They had a Washi mystery bundle, which was similar to what I purchased in the summer. I think it was 60 some washi tapes for maybe $60 or something like that. So less than $1 washi tape. But I'm oh, that's a lot of washi. I already have a lot of washi. So I actually went with the washi and accessory bundle. So I get 35 plus washis. Plus I got 2 of the album bundles. So you get a large album and a small album and a bow charm, I think is what it is. I want to say it because before I pull it out. So this is, look how cute their boxes are, y'all. I still have my old box from the warehouse sale. Okay, and then here are the albums. I guess we'll go through the albums first. Okay. Are my bow charms? Maybe they're in here. I don't know. All right, so I do not have any of the large albums. I have a medium album. So I already knew what the quality was like. These were $15. Yeah, they were $15. So you got this, and I think they said a bow charm. I might have to check. Maybe it's in here, maybe it's not. I don't know which 2 came together because they're mysteries, but I don't care. So here we go. Here's the sticker album, and they go from the inside, and then 2 of them. So I have printables from Martina Sticker Company. These are printables, so I don't know if I cut them right. I might have to cut them down to make them fit, but there we go. So perfect for that. Right now I use 3-ring binders, and I'm going to continue using 3-ring binders, especially for the ones that are out of season, but I wanted something a little bit more convenient and a little bit more compact than the 3-ring binder. So that's why I went with this. And then here is the mini one. So there we go. So these would be for samplers or things of that nature. The reason why I got this is because this alone is $20. So it was just better to go ahead and get the mystery kit. And I personally don't care what it looks like or which one. So that's why I went with the mystery. This one's really pretty though. So there we go. You have a decent amount in there. This one might be my favorite. I'm all into the celestial vibes. Okay, so I just needed you might only have gotten the 2 albums. Maybe I was mistaken about the bow charms. I thought I got a bow charm, but that's okay. We'll see. All right, so there we go. So it was $15 for 2 albums, which 1 album costs more than that of the larger one. I don't think I have to. Yeah, it is sealed. All right, and here is my mystery. Now I was a little nervous because a lot of times I'm not a huge fan of a lot of accessories, but I'm let's just go different, right? Let's see. Hold up. Let me make sure. Okay. Make sure I'm in frame. So here we go. All right. Okay. See, this is what I'm not excited about. What am I going to do with this? This is yeah, we'll just count that as a freebie. we're not even gonna count that. So here is 1 bow charm. I'm guessing this looks like this is a freebie pack. So this is what a bow charm is. I don't know that I would ever really put it on anything if I'm being completely honest, but I don't have any. Oh, I got 2. Maybe these are part of that. Maybe that's what that is. Maybe these are from that because I did get 2. Maybe they are. Maybe that's what that is. And then you have your little freebie card and your little bow sticker that you usually get, and your journaling card as well. So I'm thinking these weren't freebies. I'm thinking these is what came with that. So I can put this one with that one and this one with that. Okay. So we're just going to forget I got that. Okay, so this is a cute little coin purse. This is actually really cute. I don't know what I would put in it, but it is cute. It's cute. Like I can sit it somewhere and people, it'll be like a conversation piece, especially if I just randomly laid it in my living room. Again, I don't know what's going to fit in here. A couple of rolls of washi. But I'm thinking like maybe like when I'm packing or something like that, this would, you know, keep really small items in it. So, you know, we'll see. I'll try to remember that I had it. But like I said, I did go with this because I didn't want all the washi. So I was like, I want to try some of this. I think the washi one, if you got the washi by itself, even though it was doubled the amount of washi, it was like $15 more too. Okay, so then you get this little sticky notes. I always call them Post-it notes, but that's the brand. It's sticky notes. It says, "You're a sky full of stars." Cute. And then, so this is only the second purchase I've made from Simply Gilded, by the way. So you get a card. Oh, this envelope is really nice, y'all. Really nice envelope. You make the whole place shimmer. Okay, and these are vellums, right? Yeah. So there we go. So you have, this is like a vellum like this. They did say you would get vellums. And then this is like a harder plastic one like that. So you can do like that. Like how cool is that? I'm not sure how would we use this. I would probably have to cut it and then put it in like a journal or something like that. But I just kind of wanted to, you know, see what I would get. So far, the accessories aren't really my favorite. That's being a little nice. Not sure I would do an accessory bundle again. But this is the stars of the show. This is the washi tape. So there we go. Here's a quick look at it. Now I'm not gonna, it's gonna take me forever to look at all of this, to take everything off. Okay, so you do have days of the week here. So this is great for bullet journaling. It does have silver foil, but there we go there. So it's just your regular, both of them are pretty much identical, but it's fine. Especially because I like to actually change my planners. Let me move some of this stuff. I have this one from my last one, but if I'm being honest, I'm really glad to get this one again because it's probably one of my favorites and I haven't used it yet because I was scared to use it because it is one of my favorites. I just love red and gold together, but now I have two. So that is something that I'm actually happy to have gotten a duplicate of. This one is different. So this one I might have to open. This one I might have to open to see what it looks like. See, some of these you don't have to open because it's pretty obvious what it is, but some of it in the packaging, you can't really see. Okay, so this is like some like pink florals. Can you guys see that? Let me do a check real quick. I think you guys can see that. With some of the gold sparkles. What do they call that? They call that, I told you. I purchased something from the warehouse sale like in the summer and I was super happy with it. But I'm just not familiar with all the lingo and stuff that they use, but that's pretty. All right. And then we have this one. I don't think I have any of these. And then we have kind of your, well, it's not kind of, it is your patriotic colors. However, this is cool. Like even if you aren't in the US, I mean, it doesn't like have stars and stripes on it. I mean, some of the sparkles are stars, but that's the sparkles just because it's the sparkles. So it could be for anything, but that's really cool. I actually really like that. Now this is a duplicate. I did get this one before and I did get this one before. This is not my favorite. So now I have two that are not my favorite. This one's okay. I think I got that one before though. I don't think, oh, and then these. So these I also got as part of the summer one. These I'm cool with, these not so much. But it's fine because this washi probably goes for a couple of bucks at least a roll. And I pay less than that even considering the accessories. So I really do like these. These are the skinny washi. So it's 2 rolls in this pack. You have the white with the foil red and then the red with the white, and it looks like it's a little holographic on that as well. I'm sorry, like it would just take forever for me to like get all this out and swatch it all. This is also a duplicate. I had this in the summer one too. So you can kind of tell which ones they have an abundance of. Where are all my duplicates? Let's put all my duplicates together. Except for that one, because I'm really happy that I got that one. I'm actually okay with these two. Black and white washi is hard to come by sometimes. This is really pretty too. This is really pretty for the spring. So it does have like the gold foil there, like the line, but it's not a lot. Like they're known for their gold foil. And then you have the blue. I did not get this one. I got a bunch of this type of washi in my summer warehouse sale, but not this one. This one actually doesn't have the line. So it just has the bows. Let me show you. Okay, so here's the one I got from the summer one. See how it's the line with the bows? This one doesn't. I kind of like the plainness of this one. I think I can get a little bit more use out of this one and like any kind of spread. Sometimes this one, it takes a special spread. Of course, if you already know Simply Gilded, you know all of that. But, you know, if you don't, that's kind of how, I think this is a duplicate too. Okay. There's a lot of bow washi. Let's get these out. Oh, okay. So there we go. So that's a very colorful rainbowy one. I don't have one like this. I have a rainbowish one that's a little bit different. So yeah, I'm going to keep that one. And then we have these two. So these obviously probably came in a set. Definitely pretty green. Yeah. And then this color, I love this color. This is a really pretty color. I'm really loving their plaids. I wish I got more plaids. I have a lot of plaids, but I'm really loving the plaid. And then here we go with just some of the florals. Wait a minute. I'm trying to get them at least all turned right. So there we go. Did I show you guys that one? It's like the Neapolitan. Kind of like that. That'd be really cool for like ice cream day to do like a Neapolitan type spread with that one. And then speaking of ice cream, look at that. I have some washi that I don't think came from Simply Gilded, but it has this kind of vibe. I need to remember that one. Okay, and then here's bows and butterflies. That's really, really pretty with the kind of a rose goldish foil. I'm not sure how it's picking up on camera. That's why I know it's obvious to see it sometimes, but I'm just not sure. And this is some of the mandala. I have some of the mandala, the red, and I think another one, but this one is like the purple. It's kind of hard. The foil is kind of hard to see, but it's more of like a holographic foil. And again, it's in the plastic, but it's hard. Ooh, this one's gorgeous. That's pretty. Okay. Oh, here's another bow one with the florals. I think they had a lot of those because I got a lot of those last time, but I don't think there are any of the ones that I got. I need to use a lot more of my washi. This is really, really pretty though. What is this? This is more like, is this? Oh, it's their little Jasper guy, I think. And then like the little florals on the grid. Ooh, I like this one. This is very like a magical type. So you have crystals and like a book with the moon on it. So kind of celestial, magical type stuff like that. Like that one. And then here's your bows again, that without the line. They must have done a whole bunch of those. Like I said, I don't mind that. That's fine. Oh, it's palm trees. So it's bows with a palm tree. That's cool. Okay, and now we're going with Stardust. That's what these are called. I'm glad I got it before I turned off the video. So we have the Stardust with the florals. I think the Stardust are my favorite. Ooh, the Stardust. I don't have this one, and I bought a whole bunch by itself of the kind of like checkered, what do you call that? Plaid. I might have this one, but that's okay. I don't care because I like the Stardust. So there we go. So I got quite a bit of the Stardust. Let me try to put them all together. All right, guys. I got 46 washi tapes. So they said 35 plus. I got 46 washi tapes. And of the 46, this is the one I don't like. I don't like these because I already have this one. I don't really like this one as much. It's a duplicate. That's probably why. I just feel like you can't see the bows on that one. So I don't like those. I think that's it. I think that's it. Of the ones that I don't like, I think everything else, this is a duplicate, but I think it's fine. That one's fine. I do want to see what this one is. All right. So I ended up just swatching the 4 that had like the patterns that I kind of just wanted to see what it looked like. I just want to say this white one here, you cannot even see the dots of the dot grid behind it. I mean, yeah, the dots help, but it's a pretty thick white. It's not as, I thought it was going to be more like transparent, but it's a good thing that it's not. Like, I didn't want it to be more transparent, but that's the reason why I swatched it, because a lot of times with a white washi, it's a little thin and you really can't use it as much, but the thickness of it can actually hide something, which is great. And this is really, really cute. So that one's cute. That's definitely more like springish vibes. And then, you know, here was the celestial magical kind of theme. And then that's the one that we said, I really don't know what it is. It looks like it's a floral. Actually, it looks like it's flowers now, not mushrooms. Looks like maybe a, I don't know, something. All right, so here's everything. I hope everything's in frame. Maybe I should do a quick check. Everything's kind of in frame. So I said I had like 45 or the 45 rolls of washi, so they guarantee you 35. So the 45 is great. You immediately remove, actually no, I must have 46, because you remove the 5 that I don't want, and that leaves me with 41 rolls that I'm keeping. Maybe I'll keep this, maybe I'll not. I don't know. We'll see. Because I like it, but I have one. So that leaves me with washi. If you kind of value this at like $1 a roll, I got my money's worth. We'll kind of ignore a lot of the accessories. We'll ignore a lot of the accessories. The change purse is cute. It's cute. I'll keep it. I'm not going to get rid of it. But it's cute. This, I don't know. This is something that I'll be like, oh, I'll keep it. And then like the first time I go to declutter, it's gone. So yeah, we'll just say with the washi alone, I think I got my value, my money's worth. I think I definitely got more of a value in the washi only bundle when I did the summer warehouse sale, but I wanted to try this. I don't think I would do the accessory plus washi bundle again. I think I would stick to washi only, but now I'm swimming in washi, so I don't need washi. This I would definitely do again. I would definitely do again. I think the value is there. These little sticker binders are like, they're not cheap. Like I said, these are like $20 on the website, and I think on clearance it was $15, and I got this whole bundle for $15. So yeah, now this one, I don't do a lot of sticker kits, so I don't get a lot of the freebies, but maybe this is what I'll use for the Martinez Sticker Company rep freebies. That's maybe what I'll use for one of these. Just came to my mind. But other than that, I'm not 100% sure what I can use this for, just because like I don't do sticker kits, so I don't get a lot of things with this. But this is what I'm going to use for the stickers that I print out, because right now, like I said, I'm using 3-ring binders, and I want something a little bit more portable that I can keep on the side of my desk, because the 3-ring binders go on my craft cart. But yeah, so I'm happy with this. I'm very happy with. I think the value was there, but I knew the value was there when I first made the purchase, because you knew what you were getting. Like you were getting like a large, a small, and a bow clip. So I knew what I was getting there. I mean, that's why I bought 2. So the shipping was $9.94, just so you know. So what I did for the $9.94 is I just said $3.33 each product, and I was like, am I okay with paying that much for each one? Yes. So yeah, we're good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you purchased anything from the warehouse sale. Let me know what you thought about your mystery unboxing. If you got washi, I'm just curious if you got some of the same ones, if you got different ones, let me know. This is, like I said, this is a duplicate, but I'm so glad I got this duplicate. I really wish I would have got the white with the gold duplicate too. But that's like one of my favorites. And like any of this, I'm like super happy with too. So I'm really happy with some of this. When I said $1 a roll, the exception are like these. So I said I would pay $1 a roll for most of this. This I would probably pay like the $2.50, $3 a roll for. And maybe even after like swatching this and seeing the thickness of this, I would probably even do more than that. And then this too. So there's a lot in here. I would even do more than the $1 a roll. So I'm feeling a lot better about it now. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you did get some of the same washis or if you got different washis. If you haven't gotten it, let me know if like watching this makes you interested. So like the next warehouse sale, are you more tempted now? Are you less tempted? Just curious. Let me know down in the description box. All right, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video, please press that like button. And if you have yet to subscribe, I hope you would consider subscribing. That is all I have for now. I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.